my review of the ADC Adscope 603 Clinician Series Stethoscope. Hey, what's up guys? Nurse Jenny here from Nurse Jenny Reviews, where I give you my honest, unbiased opinion so that you can make an informed choice. Let's get into the video. As usual, when I do my stethoscope reviews, I will do a review on 10 aspects of the stethoscope, give it a score out of 5 in each aspect, which will give me a score out of 50 in the end. Acoustics. The Adscope 603 scored half a point less than the Adscope 608. And I think the reason for that is it does have an open bell here. And in my opinion, I think a bit of sound is escaping through that. So I've given it a score of 3 out of 5. Ear tip comfort. The stethoscope comes assembled already with the size medium ear tips. Me personally, I found them too small and just digging into my ears a little bit. So I swapped them over for the larger size. That's perfect, fits good, they're soft, and I've given it a score of 4 out of 5. Weight. Now, for those of you who have seen my other stethoscope reviews, you do know that I am quite picky with the weight of the stethoscope. This one weighs 164 grams, which is 5.7 ounces, and I've given it a score of 3.5 out of 5. Price. I bought this stethoscope for $77 US, and I've given it a score of 4 out of 5. If you're interested in a free giveaway, I do run them monthly, and if you want a chance to win a stethoscope, I will put the link for that in the show notes. Tubing length. This stethoscope is 77 centimeters long, which is 30 inches, and for me personally, that is just a little bit too long. I've given it a score of 4 out of 5. However, some people will love the extra length on this one. Tubing feel. The tubing of this stethoscope is quite sticky. It gets caught on my neck hairs. When I wear it around my neck all day, it just doesn't feel nice at all. So it is one of my personal pet hates. But if you're someone who doesn't wear the stethoscope around your neck all day, it might work perfect for you. I've given it a score of 2 out of 5. Stethoscope design. This stethoscope has got carbon fiber print on the tube, which is really cool. It looks really nice. The chest piece is turnable, and it has got the dot indicator to indicate which side is on. Unfortunately, this open bell does not convert into a pediatric side, and this is the only difference between the 603 and Adscope 608. So even if you wanted to, I don't think there is even an option to turn that into a pediatric side. On the packaging, it says as one of the features of the stethoscope that it's got ergonomic headset with reinforcing yoke. Now I had to look that up. I did not know what the yoke was, but it's actually this part of the stethoscope right here. And when you feel it, I can definitely tell that this part is thicker and it's reinforced. Binaurals are nice and squishy. You can adjust them accordingly. And the ear tips, like I mentioned, are nice and soft. I've given it a score of 3 out of 5. Spare kit. You will receive a set of large and small ear tips, and remember, it comes assembled already with the medium-sized ear tips. You'll get a name tag and a user manual. I have given it a score of 3 out of 5. Warranty. You will receive a lifetime warranty with the Adscope 603, which is really good. You do need to register your stethoscope on their website, and it does come with some exclusions, so just read the fine print on that one. I've given it a score of 5 out of 5. Buying experience. Now, the buying experience obviously does not impact on the functionality of the stethoscope, but I always like to include it for a full review of the product. I received it in this box, and it does have a nice little window here that displays the chest piece, and inside it looks like this. Now, if you want to see more of the box and everything inside it, I have done a complete unboxing video of this stethoscope, and if you're interested, I will put a link for that in the show notes. The total score of the buying experience is 3.5 out of 5. Overall, the Adscope 603 has received a score of 35 out of 50. The things I like about this stethoscope is the price range that it's in, the soft ear tips, the cool carbon fiber tubing print, and the weight. This stethoscope is a great cheap-ish all-rounder and a perfect stethoscope for a student nurse who is looking for their first buy. The things that let it down for me is the fact that the tubing is sticky, it's just a little bit too long, and the fact that this open bell does not convert into a pediatric side, which I think personally does impact a little bit on the acoustics. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful or if you liked it. And if you want to watch more nursing related videos, hit the subscribe button. Now, I hope I'll see you on the next video, and remember, listen with your heart.